Oh, that's one of my alarms. It's tea time. I'll go make some tea. Right, notify us that it's tea time. What shall I have? I'll have some beans on toast. Don't know what I need. Oh, okay, Google. How do you make beans on toast?
Okay, I've got a recipe called British Beans on Toast from Genius Kitchen. This recipe serves 2 and takes about 3 minutes to make. Does that sound good?
Yes.
Great, let's get started. Would you like to prepare the ingredients or skip to the instructions?
Prepare the ingredients.
There are 3 ingredients. I'll read them one by one. Let me know when you're ready for the next ingredient. The first ingredient is 2 slices bread. White is traditional, but I use low-carb rye.
Okay, Google, next ingredient.
The second ingredient is 0.49 grams can of Heinz baked beans in tomato sauce. There's 3 steps. I'll read them one by one. When you're ready to hear more, you can say, next step. First step, toast bread.
Toast the bread. In the toaster. Okay, Google, next step.
Second step, in a saucepan, heat up the beans.
Saucepan. I think these need about 4 minutes, I think. Okay, Google, set alarm for 4 minutes.
Sorted. Your alarm set for 6:25 p.m.
Okay, Google, stop. Okay, Google, next step.
Spoon onto toasted top with Worcestershire sauce. You could use Parmesan cheese too. This was the last step. Enjoy.
There we are, beans on toast. Right, I'll go have my tea now. I'm going to turn the gas off. Yeah, that all looks okay, yeah.